Here at Credit Fix Solutions, we pride ourselves that we are building and have built a business for good. Our service is built on three major pillars. Pillar number one, we do not charge upfront for our service. We are a no result, no fee business, which means our customers do not pay a fee for our service unless we can get a result, and only after we have achieved the green light for a result. Number two, we are very transparent in quoting our fees. There are no hidden fees with the service at Credit Fix Solutions. And number three, we are very transparent in the time frame in terms of how long it will take to remove those listings from a credit report. So if you are comparing credit repair companies like Credit Fix Solutions and you're looking at what do other companies do, three red flags for me are if they're charging up front, if they're quoting unrealistic pricing and unrealistic timeframes. Ask yourself how. Reach out to the team at Credit Fix Solutions and have a look at our website for more about our service.